Hi, Van James here, and I'd like to show you how to do this form, how to build up and draw this form in form drawing. So you first of all put a dot in the center. You can circle it so you have your coordinates, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can also do this with just 3, and it makes a similar pattern. Then you set up in a second row, same number of dots, adding a middle one. And you can, if I go too quickly on this, you can always stop the video, try it yourself, and then start it up again. So these are our major dots in this particular form. You then place a minor dot in between, in the middle of a series of 4 dots, which make the square. Okay, and this is our pattern. And then we can start over on the left side with our actual line, go through the drawing, down, over, round the end, come into the form, and then point towards the center. Bounce back off, round the form, towards the center again, point in, and bounce back off. Remember, you don't turn around until you get to the end of the form. And this basically will be a symmetry, then symmetry drawing. This form will also repeat itself over here. Comes down, around, and points. Comes up and all the way to the end before it turns around, sort of pulled in by the planet that's on the outside, and points towards the sun, comes back around and off to connect again. But you see this sort of Celtic pattern here. Now, if you would like to braid this form, you can do a simple braiding by taking a thicker chalk, drawing over the line, the guide line, through the first line you come to, like so. Break it just before you come to the next one, and then draw over through the next line. And if you alternate in this way, going over one and then breaking just before the next, you can go through the entire form and get a braided effect. Over, under, over, under, over, under, over, pointing, under, over, stopping, over, stopping, over, under, over, So you just carry on this type of over-under sequence to get the simple one-line braiding. Now, if you wanted to make it look more interesting, you could do this type of line. 2 lines on both sides, and then a central line. This is more typical of Celtic braided forms, for as the saying goes, threefold cord cannot be broken. And if you do the rhythm properly, over, under, your form will work out. If you find something goes wrong, it's generally because you went over twice in a row or under twice in a row. Yeah, so either single cord or double cord. Single cord or the triple cord. You can always then reinforce the central line to make the overlapping look more finished. Something like that. So best wishes with your form drawing. Keep it up, and bye for now.